Hello everyone, we are Recycl8. Today our speech will be divided into 4 parts. Firstly, we will show our innovation and value proposition. Then we will highlight our innovation canvas. At last, we will identify some challenge we are facing now and risk in the future. Firstly, let's focus on our business. Originally, we are doing the B2B business to gain the waste from the cooperating company and doing the manufacturing of the waste, making them can be reused and sold. However, from it, we found our resources very unstable, so we do the recycling machine innovation to gain the waste from the individual customer, which is our B2C business. So for the function of this canvas, we use BMI canvas to organize our business module. It is more focused on the comprehensive business. However, the innovation canvas is more focused on one of our innovation. For example, in the BMI model actually except recycling machine innovation, we have the channel innovation and manufacturing innovation. However, in the innovation canvas, we choose one main innovation to apply. On the other hand, we still make it fits the original BMI model. We use B2C business to solve the lack of waste problem which is happened in the B2B business. And this is the basis of our innovation canvas. This is our value proposition. We are basically doing the environmental protection business, and the VP are composed of 4 parts. The first one is eco-friendly. We are doing the job making the world greener by recycling waste, make product reused, and produce the heat and electricity from the manufacturing process. The second part is convenient. We plan to put the recycling machine cover 100% communities within 3 years in Scotland. The third one is reward. People can get a reward after they put waste into recycling machine and can stir up more people to use the machine. The fourth one is saving time. The intelligent system can help people to separate waste automatically. Let's have a look on our innovation canvas. Opportunity. Okay, so let's introduce our high-tech recycling machine. There are 4 main features. The first one is garbage sorting automatically. We develop an intelligent system can separate waste automatically. The second one is reward. We give the user some rewards as a return. The third one is advertising. Advertisers can do the advertisement on the screen of the recycling machine, so it is a way for us to earn the revenue. And when the recycling machine covered more cities or countries, it will be one of our biggest revenue. The fourth one is promoting people's environmental awareness. With the expansion of the machine, people will develop a habit of recycling waste at any time. Here is our recycling process. The processing the machine is divided into 2 parts. One is recycling process. Basically, user just drops their waste in our machine and machine will classify the waste automatically. And then our recycling team will come to pick it up daily. On the other hand is our reward process. After users drop the waste, they can have a chance to choose the reward on the screen, just like a vending machine. Then let's focus on our customer. As shown in the figure, women engage in household activity more than men. Hence, our first target segment is household members, especially women, because they do most recycling work. And also, when the household member become familiar with the recycling process, they can influence and attract people around them to use it. Well, so what will user gain from us? They can have some rewards as a return. Most of the rewards will be recycling products. Here is our plan. We reward housewives some household suppliers and reward the young adults, older people, and kids by some specific things as shown. When our business is stable, we can also use reward to maintain customer relationships, like sending biscuits on the Christmas or some tissues during the coronavirus time. So reward is not only an attractive method to gain customers, it is also a way for us to get relationship with our customers. In addition, it is a way to build the bridge for crossing the chasm. Then let's talk about offer. As approach and user gain already mentioned before, I will focus on IP in this part. IP is so important for us because we are doing a new tech product in this market. We found a company called Income Recycle. They have existing IP on the reverse vending machine and originally only for bottle recycling. We plan to do the R&D innovation together and created a new IP for automatic recycling machine. The next part is competitors. We done lots of research on the competitors from local and overseas. Actually, the recycling topic is very popular globally. In the UK, there are some of these kind of companies, like Amy is doing the waste management service, which is relative with our B2B business. And the reserve vending machine is quite popular in some countries, like Japan, Korea, and some Nordic countries. However, our classified machine is the new innovation in this market. We try to differ from the competitors in order to earn greater market share. We simulated our difference on the slide, which are more convenient by using the automatically classified, more attractive by rewards and wider coverage in the communities. Let's move on to capability. In the finance part, the cost partnering with Income Recycle will be the main one. The upfront cost of machine is £1,000, which excludes 1.7 CIF and 20% VAT. However, the R&D fee is hard to estimate until now, but we will apply funding to cover this part of cost. In terms of funding, we choose the most relative one called Smart Scotland Grants. It is basically a funding launched by Scottish government and aiming at support company to do the R&D innovation and register the IP, and it can offer up to £100,000 in 6 to 12 months. So how will we use the funding to start our business? Okay, here is the plan. For the beginning stage, we will use our mutual B2B business revenue and funding to support our recycling machine. And when we can gain the stable revenue from the machine business, which including the sales of recycling products and the advertising revenues, we can find some angel whale investors to support us expand the market. Then let's focus on our challenge. In the future development, we still have many challenges. Overcoming these challenges is also something that must be done now and in the future. The first is finance. At present, we have not issued estimates of specific operation cost and cash flow, and we do not have a comprehensive plan for how to attract investments. The second point is IP. At present, we already found Income Recycle company to do the manufacturing. However, the R&D and the prospects of cooperation are uncertain. The last point is about management. At present, the Recycl8 company's scale is too small to cope with rapid expansion of the upcoming business, so it is also an important challenge for us. Therefore, in order to meet the challenge, we have come up with several countermeasures. First, we can seek investment from the outside world and actively look for reliable partners. For example, we can contact the Scottish Environmental Protection Agency to obtain other government support funding, or using the government to attract the attention of the investors. For IP, we should work more actively and intimately with Income Recycle to participate deeply in product development and ensure the new IP will not be copied by others. With regard to management, we should increase capital investment, recruit talents, and improve employee management system, customer information system, and warehouse and logistic system to prepare for the upcoming business expansion. The last one is the future risk. We have listed many possibilities, including the challenge we mentioned before. In addition, for the risk of machine maintenance, we choose to cooperate with the manufacturers and determine a reliable after-sale policy. For collecting customer information, we can improve the information system using recycling machine networking to collect every operating behavior of customers and conduct big data analysis. Okay, this is our presentation. Thank you for listening.